Hi there! It's great to have you getting started with Fergus. Running a trades business can be overwhelming. Juggling jobs, managing paperwork, chasing payments, and keeping track of your numbers can quickly become a headache. That's where Fergus comes in. Fergus is an all-in-one job management software designed specifically for tradies to help you take control and get your time back. It cuts down admin time, keeps all your jobs and information organised in one place, and helps you track your financials so you can stay on top of your business and make smarter decisions. Let's walk through the Fergus workflow in 90 seconds. First, create your job. If you need to quote or estimate, you'll be directed to a draft where you can start building out your quote by adding line items. Customise the format to show or hide specific details, then send it off when you're ready. Once your customer accepts the quote, jump into the job card to assign and schedule any necessary team members. When it's time to start, your team member or you, if you're a sole trader, simply opens the Fergus app, selects the job, and you're ready to go. Here, you can add time entries, materials, photos, notes, and more, so you're not stuck updating everything after hours. As soon as the labour on your job is marked complete, the job moves into back costing, letting you know it's ready to be finalised. Here, you can review all actuals like time and materials and make sure any supplier invoices are assigned to the job as well. Review your financial summary to track progress and profitability in real time. This allows you to track the profit of each job at a glance. Finally, it's time to invoice. You can either create an invoice based on the original quote or estimate, or build a quick invoice using the actuals recorded by the team in just a few clicks. Just like with quoting, you can add line items and format the invoice as needed. Once you approve the invoice, send it off and you're all set. If you're connected to an accounting package, the invoice will sync automatically and payments will sync back to Fergus too, saving you hours of admin every week. And that's the Fergus workflow. Ready to transform your business and reclaim your time? Start your free trial or book a demo today. Your future success starts here.